If your garage is a mess or you're just trying to declutter or if you need a little cart to throw all your tools on to do a project, away from your garage, then this is definitely something to consider. The brand did send over this tool rack in exchange for this video, but this LimeHill rolling organizer cart has been a total game changer for my dad. It's got a big pegboard on the back, and he loves that he can set it up two different ways depending on what kind of tools he has. The hooks and trays make it super easy to hang things like your drills, your wrenches, and screwdrivers, so they're always right where you need them. It was super easy to put together. The instructions were very clear. The cart itself rolls really smoothly, which is nice when you're working on projects in different spots. It's sturdy enough to hold a good amount of weight too, up to like 200 pounds. And it has a handle that makes it really easy to push and pull around. The three shelves are great too. He can keep the smaller go to tools on top, heavier items in the middle, and bigger stuff down on the bottom. It really just makes everything feel more organized when he's trying to move tools around the shop, and it makes it so much more functional. He doesn't have to dig through drawers or walk across the shop to get something. He can put everything on the cart and have it right there at his fingertips. So whether you're setting it up in the garage, a shed, or even a home workspace, it just keeps everything neat and easy to grab. We love it. We know you will too, and I hope this video helps.